Hi friends, I hope you must have seen the title and thumbnail of this video. If you're generally a person who soaks your shoe in water, scrubs it and waits for it to dry for a couple of days, then this video is a must-watch one for you all. So here's an easy hack to clean shoes without using water. So let's get started.
If you do like the video that is about to follow, please do like the video, share it with your friends, and at the same time do subscribe and hit the bell icon so all the experiences that we are about to share would reach you on time. So how we are going to clean the shoes, what product are we using to do that, and how is that you can purchase one for yourself is all about in this video, so please do watch until the end. Okay, to clean the shoes, we do use a multi-purpose foam cleaner. So it comes in a can and the content of the can is a liquid. So you got to shake well before you start using it. And when you apply on the shoes, it comes out as foam in pressure. So please make sure that you apply the foam across the shoes, including the sides of it. I generally don't use it on the bottom because there's no point and it's going to get dirty as soon as you start using it. So just apply on the sides of the sole, including the other parts of the shoe. It is not necessary that you need to apply inside the shoes. We are just cleaning the outside of it. Once you do that, leave that shoe to hold on for about 30 to 40 seconds, and that is going to help you clean the shoes in an effective and a fast way, because this foam eats up all the dirt and it frees them off the surface of that shoe. So once that is done, I normally use a toothbrush to clean, but you guys can obviously have a different brush if you have it for this purpose, and make sure the whole area is cleaned and scrubbed, and that is including the sides of the sole where you find the most dirt. You can clearly see that as soon as I started scrubbing, the surface had turned yellow. That's the foam's color that is turning yellow, and you can effectively see that even the soles are getting cleaner now. So once you have done with all the scrubbing, just use a dry soft cloth and wipe the whole area out. And once you start doing that, you should be effectively seeing that the shoe that we have already cleaned and the shoe that is yet to be cleaned are very evident that this foam has done wonders in cleaning the shoe. And it completely took me only about 3 minutes to have that shoe cleaned. So effectively it takes about 7 to 8 minutes for a pair of them. We use this foam cleaner on all of my son's school shoes. They are false leather. I have used it on the gym shoes that I use. Those are normal sports shoes material, and even the shoes that I wear to office, they are all canvas kind. You do not have to do the same thing on a leather shoe because polishing would be sufficient for that. And the primary use of this cleaner is to make sure that you use it on a fabric like a light colored sofa or your car seat. But apart from that, we have used the same multi-purpose cleaner even to clean our chimney, because normally chimney gets a lot greasy during the festive time when you guys are using it for a longer period, and this actually helps out and eases out all the dirt. So you just spray and clean it with a dry cloth, and that's all it is. Cleaner that I'm using is called Tough Stuff, and this was actually recommended by my car detailing person, but it is not necessary that you guys have to use the same stuff. But instead you can go into amazon.in, search for fabric foam cleaner, and it should come up with a lot of options that you guys can choose from in various prices. All you have to make sure that it is a foam based multi-purpose cleaner, and that's all it is. You guys buy one and you guys can straight away start using it.
Hey guys, I hope you must have seen the video, and you must have also noticed as how we used foam to clean the shoes without putting in much effort. I hope it's of use to you all, and I hope you all enjoyed watching it. The same content is also available in Tamil. For those of your Tamil friends, please share that version, and also like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.